Welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how you can switch an Instagram creator account from business or personal. First, let's open our Instagram on our device and make sure to log in your account. So from here, click on your profile by clicking this one. If you are in the professional mode, you can click this professional dashboard over here. Then click the settings icon on the top. Now click on switch account type right here. On the prompt, select switch to personal account. But if you want to make your personal account a professional account, just simply click Edit Profile. Then over here, click on Switch to Professional Account and keep tapping Continue. On this page, choose your type of account and hit Done below. Choose the creator account and click Next. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.